Hello friends, I am Naveen Gupta representing my firm Bharat Furnitures. We are in this business from last 65 years. We have two showrooms, one at Savakmore, another at Checkpost. I am proud member of BNI Tulip in category of wooden furnitures from last 4 years. One of my friend invited me to a launch meeting of BNI Tulip where 100 of top businessmen were interacting in a very structured way about business. They are talking and discussing about different kind of business from a different background. So I like the concept of BNI where only business was discussed, not anything else. In Siliguri, you lack this kind of social gatherings. So then and there I decided that I should be part of this BNI family. My father was tested COVID positive during this pandemic. The doctor had suggested me for immediate admission to a hospital. But searching for many hospitals, I came to know that it's very difficult to get admitted to any hospital. So, I messaged in my BNI group for help. Immediately, many of my friends had come forward to help me, and they made sure that my father was admitted to a good hospital and he received best of the best treatment. Before joining BNI, I used to supply furnitures in local school, colleges, but it was a dream for me to supply furnitures out of Siliguri, like in Gangtok, Sikkim. So I received a referral from Gangtok from a hotel through a BNI friend, where I supplied a lot of furnitures in their hotels, and they were very satisfied with my service and my furniture. So they referred to me in different industries in Gangtok, like in school, colleges, universities. So I started supplying in other industries also, and they are very satisfied. From last 4 years I am regular suppliers in different industries in Sikkim, and I am very thankful to BNI and my friend that my business has grown many folds in Sikkim. BNI have many core values which as a member we have to follow. The one personally which I like is lifelong learning, wherein BNI provides us with workshops and trainings given by certified trainers who grooms us and teaches us new techniques how we can expand our business. At last but not the least, I would like to thank BNI for providing us with such a beautiful platform wherein we can interact with different business people in a single platform, and not only business, we can discuss our social problems and providing us with such a lovely friends for where we can stay as a single family. Thank you BNI for changing the way I do business.